Hi everyone, I'm going to demonstrate a circuit assignment given in the week 2 of interfacing with the Arduino course. The assignment is to build a circuit that lights a LED when it is sufficiently dark in a room. Demonstrate the circuit by covering the photoresistor to simulate the darkness. In order to build the circuit, the components that I have used are Arduino, breadboard, photoresistor, LED and two resistors. The input is constituted by constructing a voltage divider circuit that includes a photoresistor connected in series with another resistor. To the input terminal, or I can say to one of the terminals of the photoresistor, is connected to 5 volts input supply, whereas to the terminal where the other lead of the photoresistor is connected to the resistor is being connected to one of the analog inputs, here specifically A0 input of the Arduino. The other end of the resistor is connected to ground. So this constitutes the input part. Coming to the output part, the LED anode is connected to digital pin 13 of the Arduino. The cathode is connected to ground through the resistor. Here the resistor is used to limit the current. Coming to the code part, I have defined a variable called brightness threshold and set it to a value 500. In the setup, I am defining the pin 13 as output pin. In the main loop, I am reading the sensor value and keeping it inside the variable called sensor value variable. The other variable is going to be set based on by comparing whether the sensor value is less than or greater than the constant that I have defined. If the sensor value is less than the constant that I have defined, then the state variable is set as high. If the sensor value is greater than the constant that I have set, then the state will going to have a low as its value. The state is being written into the digital pin 13. So that means when sensor value is less than 500, the state will be assigned to high and the LED will lit up. If the sensor is greater than the brightness, that means the room is sufficiently bright enough. So at that time low is being assigned to the state. That will result in switching off of the LED. As we all know, the analog value can vary from 0 to 1023. I have taken a threshold value as 500. So that means when the voltage divider gives me a value which is less than the 500, then at that point of time I am going to light up the LED. If the divider circuit gives me a value which is greater than that 500, then I am going to switch off the LED. Now coming to the simulation part, as you can see in the bar, the room is sufficiently bright enough, so the LED is off. When I slide the bar towards the downwards, that means I am going to simulate darkness inside the room. At that point of time, you can see the transition of the LED from off to on. So you can see I am sliding the bar downwards. When I reach almost 50% in the bar on the way to the down, you can see the LED being lit up. That means the room is dark, so I've switched on the light inside the room. In the vice versa, when I slide it upwards, what happens is the room is getting light from the outside, or you can say from the sun, so that time the LED is switching off. This completes the demonstration of the circuit. Thank you all for watching.